Hello everybody, Max Farrow. This is Dex. The What Are the Sessions of Forex video is up next, and timing is everything. Okay, so before we begin, you have to know that your timing is everything for you as a trader. So knowing when to trade that is best for you may be the toughest thing to figure out. Though, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, Sunday night 6 p.m. Eastern to Friday afternoon 4 p.m. Eastern. The four major markets that can affect it are open during various times. The markets themselves, Sydney, Australia, Tokyo, Japan, London, England, and New York, United States, all have their own timing. Sort of looks like this. The Forex market open in Sydney opens up at 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. EST. Of course, in GM time, that's 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So depending on your time frame and your time zone will depend on when the markets are open. But you see they all have variant times that they're open. Now, here's an overlap or an overview of when they are open in GMT time. And you can kind of see that there's overlap that happens. The Sydney is open up for the majority over Tokyo. Tokyo is open up just for a little bit over London, and London sort of takes half of the time from New York, right? So, what does that mean for you as a trader? There's also another part of the process that we call volatile times, or when during the opens and closes of these. So in spaces like here, 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 and here, and here, there are times when the market become volatile during an open of the Tokyo session in Sydney and the closing of Sydney and Tokyo. Also, same thing true with the London session, that it opens on a little bit at the end part of Tokyo, but then Tokyo closes in London, and it causes a little bit of issue there as well. So this time right here is pretty volatile, okay? Also, the time that London closes right around noontime in New York, it's a little bit volatile as well. And lastly, the New York close itself. It doesn't affect anything when it closes. In fact, it boosts a lot of stuff into the Sydney. So, lots of little things to kind of consider. Lastly, with the news and open and closes of trading, this could be a constant watch of the clock, and the knowledge of when to trade can be just as important as what to trade. In future videos, we'll give you some hints and tips and tricks on how to combat with this process and get you trading at the levels that you want. I want to thank you again for your time, and as always, trade well.